When I came across Kegelbell, I was so excited. It was earlier this year in April. I had the opportunity to hear the founder speak about Kegelbell. Here was a woman who was so passionate about helping women, being able to take back their life, especially their sexual well-being, and just feeling confident. Let's be honest. When we feel confident about ourselves, it spreads into the rest of our life and our relationships. When I came across this product, and I want to share with you, I was so impressed. I couldn't wait to get it in my hands. And most importantly, I couldn't wait to try it. Here's what I love about this, is it comes with 2 different size bulbs. Now these bulbs, you insert inside of your pelvis. It is perfectly fine, doesn't hurt. But here was the very interesting part, is that it came with different weights that you could adjust depending on how much you could hold and squeeze. Imagine being in the gym and you're lifting a weight. Now you have something that you're putting the weight on and you'll be able to hold and squeeze, hold and squeeze. I couldn't believe it. I personally want to thank Kegelbell for their passion in bringing something to women to take back our life and our confidence.